what? Mom, what's that? What's that, Mom? What's that, Mom?
Shh. Okay, poor. Cái. Ok, cái hôm qua cô cắm vào đi ạ. Ê, bụi vợ anh, nó nghỉ con kia phao mày.
I'm going to New Zealand, guys. I am packing at the moment, or trying to pack. It's a very last minute trip, and thank you all so much for praying for my grandma, each and every single one of you that have. Siaosi and I and my family, we really do appreciate it. So God bless you guys and thank you so much.
She's get ready to go to New Zealand. This is her grandma.
I'm so tired, you can really see it.
And she leave me. She happy to leave me.
I'm only going for a few days, babe.
Look, she really happy.
Who said I'm really happy? I didn't say I'm really happy. I'm so tired. I just got back from a Kmart run by myself.
Cause she's so happy. Now guys, she's going to visit her grandma tomorrow. Hey.
Well, by the time you guys see this, I'm probably already going to be in New Zealand.
Now guys, I miss her so much. I miss her.
I miss you too, babe. So much.
I miss her so much.
Babe, you're getting the worst angles of me. Let me hold it. You have to duck. Bend your knees. There you go.
I miss her so much.
I want to miss you too, babe. It's only 2 days.
This is the first time she left me.
So guys, I'm going to call it a night. I'm going to finish packing my things. I'm only taking a carry-on and I think I'm going to be way over the kilo, so I have to probably repack my bag again. But I'm only going for a few days and I'm very tired. I am so tired. Sorry, my battery died before and I've only had 3 hours sleep, but I'm asleep on the bus. I'm so sad I'm leaving my bed. How cool is this new bus, guys? They've revamped it all. It looks like first class. Yep. I'm super tired and I'm really upset I left Aussie at home. But it's only 2 days, so I'll see him soon and I'll try and get some footage of my grandma. When I get there, you guys will be able to see my family. And so sorry to all my New Zealand subscribers. I won't have time to come and meet up with you guys. It's just a very short trip, just to come and see my grandma. Hello, little Evan. So I finally got ready, because before I was looking like an auntie, and we're about to check in. We're going with Virgin, and I miss Aussie. Do you guys remember this backpack from Singapore? I know you're watching this, and I love you and I miss you, honey. But I'm all sweaty and tired and hot. My bag's really heavy. Kind of wish we booked a little checked-in luggage flight. Carrying my laptop. I've got 2 bags. That one's got my clothes in it. This one's got my laptop in it. Oh guys, we've got a bit of a problem. So I've checked in my bags and so is my sister Molly. But my sister Sia is kind of stuck. So she got married and she booked a ticket automatically. Booked her ticket under her married name, not realizing she hadn't changed her passport. And now we can't check her in. So I've called up Virgin. Virgin told me to call the third party that we booked it through. Now we're calling the third party. We board in about an hour. We're still outside the gate. We haven't yet gone through customs yet. And it's all a hot mess. So Holy Spirit, please be with us. And I'm hungry. I haven't eaten. I miss Aussie. My hair's Mahana. And yeah. Eben was causing such a disruption in the bus and he woke the whole bus up. It was like 4:30. It was like 5 a.m. No one had time for that crap in that morning and he was waking up the whole bus. And then when he finally fell asleep, the whole bus was wide awake. I saw everyone's phones up. I'm probably like, oh my gosh, now he's asleep and we're all awake now. But he was screaming for like a good half an hour. I'm not kidding you. As you can see, it's pretty full.
Keep walking towards the lane, please.
And I'm missing Aussie. He called me and I'm like, I can't talk because I have to run to the terminal. So hot. And it's so full. And I really wish my sister could be here, but she can't. We'll see her there. I just hate when things like this happen, you know? And then one person gets left out. Hey guys. So I just got into New Zealand and I'm kind of tired. But it says, Hale mai and welcome to our shores. And I think family members are picking us up. We're gonna ask if they can just take us to our hotel, and then we'll meet my sister when she comes in, and we'll go see my grandmother all together. I'm so tired, guys. I'm so tired. This is why I need to go to the gym more often. What does that mean? Look how cool that is, guys. I think that's the culture of the New Zealand thingy. No, I don't even know. The tiki or something. Finally out. Just got picked up by my uncle. And it's really windy out here. It's nice weather, not too cold. And this is my little cousin. What's your name?
Hi. Tuima.
Yeah, I came last time like 5 years ago for my grandmother's 90th birthday, and he was so small, like a little baby, kind of. And now he's gone so big and grown up. And I swear, guys, in the next 3 days, I promise you, look at my hair, I probably lost 5 kilos from all this walking. Okay, I'll talk to you guys soon. I'm really missing Aussie.
Do you do vlogs?
I do.
On YouTube? Do you guys have an Australian accent?
You have a strong New Zealand accent.
Yep. Oh, wait. I don't remember that.
I miss Aussie. I swear, you guys are gonna hear. You guys are gonna get so sick of hearing that. Hearing me say that. So be prepared. I'm going to be saying it at least 30 times a day. Because I miss Aussie. Aussie, I miss you. I was just reminded by my little cousin Kyunga that when I came here for my grandmother's 90th birthday, we had it in New Zealand. And I stayed at their house and he used to write notes all the time. Like I got like 50,000 notes every day. I used to slide them under the door. And he used to say he loved me. Oh, there we go.
Wrong way.
I'm gonna call you Twinks. That's easy for me.
Okay.
Just rocked up to my auntie's house. And my grandmother should be here. Guys, that was so sad. Why did you want my good jumper? Oh, hi. Oh my gosh, hey Anna. It's my cousin Anna. That was actually pretty sad, guys. My grandma is just not the same. Oh, I was about to say you guys have seen, but you haven't seen. I've told you stories. And oh, you go girl, Vainga, you can do it.
Oh, and such a fatty bum bum. Oh my god.
She's just not the same, so it's really upsetting to see her that way in that condition. But thanks for meeting my family. Thanks for meeting my family.
My never come up. Wait, where are you guys sleeping?
At a hotel. Where are you guys sleeping? Oh really?
Wait,
so I've been spending a lot of time with my grandmother, and oh my god, I look so red.
Yeah, you do.
Don't worry, it's just a camera, okay? And I just want you guys to meet my cousin Bulu. So I keep calling you cousin.
That's weird.
My
She's
niece.
the auntie.
Anyways,
She's the auntie to so many kids.
Hi everyone.
Oh wow, we have so many students.
She goes to Auckland University.
She goes Unitec.
She goes to Unitec, and she is
Unitec.
This is my other cousin.
Nephew.
No, he's my cousin.
No, he's your nephew.
No, this one.
Oh.
Sorry, I was my nephew. All of them are kuai. Nephew. Because he's my nephew.
No, I thought you was going chubby, like
oh, and here's my little nephew.
No. No.
Move.
Oh.
Oi. So you face so gun. Ah.
Yeah, go on my Facebook.
Hey guys, so we're here in the bathroom at McDonald's, and I know it's really late, but nothing else is open because apparently everything closes early in New Zealand. I'm still missing Aussie, but it's alright, I'll see him soon, just a few more hours. We just came to change Evan's nappy, and it's almost 11 o'clock. We have McDonald's in Australia. This is the Macca's in New Zealand. And I know that I'm not meant to be eating this, but under very limited circumstances, I have to. This is Evan's first time tasting a cheeseburger. Get it, get it, get it. Get it, boy. Yay.
Just go
Even
hard.
Uncle Silla, they lock guy. Uncle Silla, little Silla is Australia.
Nice.
That's what we put on the cheese today. And what was happening? The old man's son, because he's only 2 sons. The old man's son, he's the one who looked after the machine, CNC, and he's the one who keeps telling me, he said, another food, just come here. Yeah. And then I think, oh,
Okay guys, so I'm about to end the vlog and I'm back at the hotel now. I'm pretty tired, it's almost 12 o'clock and I'm about to go have a shower, but before I do, got to do comment of the day. So just quickly, I chose J Sapphire for comment of the day, and she said, oh, never a dull moment with Siaosi and Victoria. That was neck level challenge crack up. Much love. Thank you so much. God bless you guys, and thank you for praying for my grandmother. And I just ask that you guys continue to pray for me and my family through this time. And we'll see you next time. And I miss Aussie so much.
Ay, makangani.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye, guys.